So hey guys, Kiran from Tech Gadget now. So cleaning our home is a really big task, especially if you have kids. There will be a lot of dust and dirt going around, and it takes a lot of time to find out and clean the dust that we are having at our home. So how about a robot doing this job? So today we are going to talk about a robot, that is cleaning robot, that vacuums your home and mops it. So it's really convenient and I'm using it since last 1 year and it has given excellent result. I have provided the links in the description below so that you can buy it from Amazon. So let's review the robot now. So let me show you what all comes in the box when you buy it from Amazon. So these are the things that you get while you buy Roborock S5 from Amazon. The robot itself, a cable for connecting the charging dock, a water tank. So this is used for mopping. You can fill water inside this. A cleaning brush. I will be telling you more where to fix it. A mop cloth, it's made of microfiber. Extra filters that need to be attached to the water tank. Then user manual is mostly in Chinese because the robot comes from China. A brush, then you need to connect to the bottom of the robot. The charging dock itself, and a HEPA filter. So I will be telling you in detail what all are uses of these components in later. So please stay with the video and watch till end. So let's now have a detailed look in the robot itself. So the robot is made of polycarbonate, but it is of good quality polycarbonate. At the front we have the sensor which detects the collision. At the left also we have the sensor which detects the collision distance. So it is fully controlled by artificial intelligence. So Roborock has programmed it like that. At the top we have 3 buttons. So this is to go to charging dock. This is the power on off button or start cleaning and stop cleaning button. And this is the spot cleaning button. So you can vacuum a specific spot in a room with pressing this button. At the top we have the laser. It rotates actually and finds the distance and maps things where and all your objects are placed. The advantage of Roborock S5 compared to the iRobot Roomba is it can run in dark as well. It can see in dark as well because it uses laser technology. But iRobot Roomba uses camera. So camera needs light. So you need to put the light in the home for that to work. But this can work in dark as well. So that's the top part. And if you see the back, you can open it. And there's a LED which shows Wi-Fi connected. So while you are configuring this, you can see the changes in the LED, and there is a dustbin inside. So this is a dustbin and it is having a filter at the back. As I showed before while showing the components in the box, you need to put the filter at the back. It's a HEPA filter and you can wash the filter regularly after 1 or 2 uses. The dustbin opens like this. So you can collect the dust here and you can put the dust in the waste bin and again place it back. So there's a brush inside it. You can use to clean the robot itself. You can place it here. So at the back we have 2 vents which exhaust hot air from the vacuum. At the front we have the collision sensor. So this part actually moves and it collides with the wall and objects in your home, and it detects that there is an object and it can't go further. So that's a great technique applied. Now let's check the bottom part of the robot. So at the bottom we have 2 wheels which are very sturdy and it's made of rubber to get a good grip. And we have the brush itself. This brush acts as a broom. So it pushes the dirt into the vacuum section and this brush pulls it and puts it into the dustbin. So it's really efficient, and we have a rollable wheel here which helps to change the direction of the robot. We have 2 pins. So these are the charging pins. So while the robot sits in the dock, this connects to the dock and it charges. And we have 4 cliff sensors here. So these are to help the robot not falling from stairs. So if you are having stairs at your home, you don't need to worry because it won't fall down As if it detects the stairs, it stops there. At the back part, we have having a wedge here. This is used to place the water tank, which is used for mopping. So you can place the water tank like this. So you just need to slide it inside and it is placed there, and then it can be used to mop. So you can do multiple things at the same time. You can do vacuuming and mopping at the same time, or else you can do only mopping or only vacuuming. This robot is actually very flexible with its operations. Let me tell you now specifications of the robot. The robot is having a 5700 mAh battery. It lasts for around 2.5 hours of cleaning, and it can clean up to a 2000 square feet home in a single charge. In case if it gets discharged totally or it reaches around 10%, it goes back to the dock and charge it fully and resume the work from where it stopped. It's a great feature, and you don't need to worry about charging the robot by your own because it automatically charges. This robotic vacuum is also having speech capabilities. So you can select your own language from Chinese, English, and it talks to you the state of the robot. In case if it is stuck somewhere, it tells you that it is stuck, or you get a notification on your mobile phone so that you know that the robot is stuck and you need to get it out from there. Mostly it doesn't stuck because it knows how to make the way out. It's really efficient in that matter. So let's now see a demo and how it cleans, and I'll be spilling some beans or spices on my floor and I will clean it using the robot. So let's go to demo now. This is the robot interface. So you can see a map created of my home. So it shows the barriers and walls available. So it shows the location of the charging dock. So that is pointed in green. So you can see that here. It's pointed in green, and then there are 4 options at the bottom. That is go to. Go to means if you want to bring the robot to a specific location at your home, you can use the go to option. You can point it and bring it there. Dock means go to dock for charging. Clean means full cleaning, so it will clean the entire home, and then it is zone cleanup. So this is the advantage of this robot. You can mark specific zones at your home and you can clean there specifically, and you can create barriers. So I have created barriers or no go zones. So the robot won't go to those zones for cleaning purpose in case there are any sensitive wires, so that it does not disturb it. There are also some advanced settings available here. So you can tap the 3 button at the top. There are some vacuum settings. So vacuum settings in the sense map saving mode means it saves the map of your previous run, and so that you don't need to create map again and again. So if you delete the map, the robot needs to run the entire home again to create the map again. Then there is volume settings. So robot actually speaks, so you can set the volume high or low. Carpet mode. So in case the robot climbs over a carpet, it knows that it's on a carpet and it needs to increase suction. It's a great feature. So cleaning a carpet is a difficult job because dust and dirt will be sticking on it. So robot will be knowing that it's on a carpet and it's increased suction and it gives effective cleaning. Then is a voice pack. Timer is there. You can schedule the robot in specific time. Clean up mode is there. There are total of 5 modes available. Maximum mode is maximum suction, but it will be really loud. Then turbo, balanced and quiet. Quiet suction will be minimum, but the cleaning will be not that effective because the suction power is really low. I would always prefer balanced mode because when it enters the carpet mode, it increases suction automatically. So balanced mode is good and it is quiet as well. So if you want to do only mopping, you can select the mop mode. Then you get notifications regularly of what the status of the robot. Then general settings, you can check for software updates here. You can get the network info and all. Cleaning history means till now how much cleaning is done. You can see the status every day, how much square feet it has covered. Then care in the sense what is the status of the components of the robot. So you may need to replace the brush for around 6 months so that you get efficient cleaning. Then there is remote control option. So remote control in the sense the robot can be activated using remote. So As you press up and down button, robot automatically moves. This is a good feature. So you can find the robot as well using the app. So let's now have a demo now. So I am spilling some grains on the floor. Let's now ask the robot to start the cleanup. So for that, I just need to go to zone cleanup. And you need to mark the specific zone. So at present it is showing the location of the robot by a yellow color. So now I can mark the specific zone. See, I have marked the specific zone. I just want to clean that zone itself.
Starting zone cleanup.
So you can hear that the robot starts talking and telling that it is doing the zone cleanup. So after the cleanup is finished, you get a notification like this that zone cleanup finished and going back to the dock. So robot will automatically return back to the dock in this time. So that is Roborock X5 for you. So you can schedule a zone cleanup for multiple times as well, or you can clean the home multiple times as well. There is a 1x, 2x, 3x option available. So you can clean the home 3 times at the same run, or you can do zone cleanup for the same time as well for 3 times. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button below. It will help the channel. I have provided the links in the description below so that you buy it from Amazon. I will bring you more videos like this. Thanks for watching and bye bye now.